The Dom Saturn is a 10-pin dimple lock. The pins are arranged in 2 rows with Dom's characteristic shark fin key pins. If you ask me, they look a little bit more like shark teeth. But we digress. These pins can be picked with a dimple pick under the fin. However, I find that a hook which engages the pin in this orientation allows for easier manipulation of the pins. The bottom of the keyway has a convenient groove which can be used to navigate the hook both in and out of the keyway and from side to side to engage with both rows of pins. The rearmost pin is a flat standard pin which sits higher in the keyway and interacts with this spinning element of the key. It's relatively straightforward to pick. Finally, the tensioner that I made is a standard bottom of the keyway tensioner which has been shortened so that it does not touch and interfere with the first key pin. Okay, let's get to picking. Alright, I'm going to be using a Sparrows ssDev pick in 25 thousandths, which I find great for setting the max lift pins. I'm going to tension in the clockwise direction. And we're going to start with the right side. That's a 1, click out a 1, 2, 3 with a little bit of counter rotation. Trying to get under 4, and that's a 4 click with a good amount of counter rotation. I'm going back to 2, and that's set. 4, and now I'm trying to hit the interactive element. I'm trying to find that, and a nice click out of that. 5 on the left side, 4 on the left side with a nice click. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, going back to 3. 4 is set. 5 is set. 3. That's 2. Trying to get back to 1. That feels set. 3, 4. Try that interactive element one more time, and a little click out of that. Nice little rotation. That's 3, feels pretty set, and 2, and we got her open. Nice. All right, let's get her out of the vise. I'm gonna fast forward through this so it's unlocked. And I put back the key, get the follower. And these pins are difficult to get out. That's 1, 2, shark fin 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm counting them front to back. 8, 9, and that last one is the interactive element. We're going to take out the drivers. They're all security driver pins, either spooled pins or these torpedo mushroom pins. And finally, we'll just dump out all the springs. All right, let's get a close-up of the core. That's where all the 10 key pins sit, and that last one all the way to the left is where the interactive sits. That's the housing. Finally, let's take a close-up of the key pins and the driver pins. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed this pick. And if you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much.